Introduction: Starting your coding journey.
Learning to program can feel overwhelming, but picking the right language makes it much easier. In this video, you'll discover 5 of the easiest programming languages for absolute beginners, each with clear examples and practical uses. These languages offer simple syntax and strong online communities, so you can quickly build skills and confidence even if you've never coded before.
Scratch: Visual programming made simple.
Scratch is a visual programming language designed for beginners of all ages. Instead of writing code, you snap together colorful blocks to create animations, games, and stories. Scratch teaches programming fundamentals like logic, loops, and events in a fun, interactive way. It's perfect for those who want to learn concepts without worrying about complex syntax.
Python: Friendly and powerful.
Python stands out for its clear, easy-to-read code. Its simple syntax mimics everyday language, making it one of the best choices for first-time programmers. You can use Python for everything from basic scripting to web development and data analysis. For example, printing "Hello World" only takes a single line. Print "Hello World."
JavaScript: The language of the web.
JavaScript is the backbone of interactive websites and is very beginner-friendly. You can start coding directly in any web browser, no setup required. With straightforward commands, you can make web pages dynamic, build simple games, or try interactive tutorials. A basic example shows an alert box: Alert Hello World.
Ruby: Elegant and intuitive.
Ruby is praised for its simple, natural syntax that closely resembles human language. It was designed to be beginner-friendly, making it easy to pick up even if you have no coding background. Ruby is used for web development and scripting. Writing puts "Hello World" displays a message on the screen, demonstrating its simplicity.
HTML and CSS: Building blocks of the web.
That HTML and CSS are essential for anyone interested in creating websites, even as a beginner. HTML structures content, while CSS styles it. Both use easy-to-learn tag-based syntax. For example, to display text, you'd write P Hello World SP. Learning these basics lets you quickly see results in your browser and build a foundation for further coding.
Conclusion: Choosing your first language.
Whether you choose Scratch, Python, JavaScript, Ruby, or start with HTML and CSS, each path makes learning to code approachable and fun. Pick the language that matches your interests and goals. And remember, consistent, hands-on practice is key to becoming comfortable with programming. With these beginner-friendly languages, anyone can start their coding journey today.